Hey guys, what's going on? So welcome to a new vlog. So we're doing a quick OOTD. We're heading to the movies. We're gonna be watching Sinners, and yes, your girl is going out on a date. Anyways, let's get into the cute fit. The mirror is dirty, FYI. I didn't need to say that because y'all can see it. Anyways, I'm in this cute sweater dress. I got it from Fashion Nova. Very, very cute. You know, the movies is always cold. Well, it's cold for me, so I love to wear like long sleeve stuff to cover myself for the movies. And it also had like a hoodie at the back. It's very cute. Cute little dress. Very cute for a date night. And I'm gonna wear my sandals. Not feeling the sneakers vibe. So yeah, sneakers would definitely look good with this, you know, I'm not gonna lie. But anyways, we're gonna wear our nude sandals, and we just let out our hair. We added all the perfume. We're only wearing lip gloss, and yeah, we are ready for the date night. I will see you guys when I reach the movie, and of course I won't be vlogging much because the girl is outside on a date. Anyways. Hey y'all, what's up? So I am about to go on TikTok live. I did post on my Instagram. I did post on Instagram, TikTok, and my YouTube community to tell you guys that I'm going live tonight. My friends and I were trying to make this a weekly thing. It has been ongoing for I think 3 times already, but last week was Carnival, so you know we didn't have that. Last week Thursday we were all busy Carnival week, but tonight we're having that. Let me just log into TikTok. Let me see if she's live as yet. I'm unable to go live. It's telling me that I need to confirm my age and all of those stuff, and I've been doing what they require, but I still can't go live, so I'm not sure what's happening. It appears she's running late, but I went to the movie. Let's talk about Sinners for a moment. Just overall, I am gonna give it like a 7 out of 10. To be honest, at one point in time the movie, I was like, wait, is this, I don't even want to say it because it's still new, but I literally thought it was like a horror in some type of, without not give it away, yeah, more like a, I was thinking it was like a virus thingy during the slavery days, you know, like the virus, say girl and everybody catch a virus, and like something, I honestly thought it was something like that. It's literally the opposite. Well, yeah, kind of ish. But yeah, I gave it a 7 out of 10. It's definitely not a 10 out of 10. The actors was pretty good, the characters was pretty good. But yeah, I don't know, I thought, you know, but I've gotten a little bit more, and I was one point in time I was like, wait, how did they get inside? But yeah, my dates explained it, because I guess I missed that point. But yeah, date was good. We just went to the movies and that's it. Didn't go anywhere else after. It's literally midweek yesterday, Wednesday. But yeah, movie was good. Yeah, so just waiting. I need to check. So this phone right now that I'm talking to you guys on, it has my WhatsApp. This is like my business phone, so I won't be able to like check if they're messaging in the WhatsApp, but I'm gonna, yeah, when I start the live, I'm just gonna start by the video and just show you guys a little bit behind the scenes as what we're talking about. The topic is what again? So since Carnival week just passed, we thought it would have been great to talk about like the whining culture and how if whining culture will hurt a relationship or, you know, something along that line. Anyways, I'm gonna check my WhatsApp, so I'll get back to you guys shortly. So the TikTok live is finished. I didn't even get to video it, guys, because for some reason, I don't know, I had to use this other phone to check something, so I didn't get to video it. But the live was good. We spoke about, does a wine hurt? Does a little wine hurt? You know, because, you know, Carnival just ended and all of that, so we're just having discussion if your partner is allowed to wine on another person, vice versa, are you allowed, you know, stuff like that. So the conversation was pretty good. I'm actually gonna just wind down, and I think I want to make some ramen, and then I'm just gonna Netflix and chill. It is, what is 8:27, so pretty hungry, so I'm just gonna have some soup and then relax. I do have the carnival video to edit and I haven't started as yet, and today is Thursday and I really wanted to upload it for tomorrow, but I'm gonna make an effort to start it for tonight. But your girl is not feeling 100 because the lady is here, so I'm just feeling very a little bit weak right now, to be honest. This big old bump right here too. Anyways guys, I will see you later. I should be out this weekend. It's my cousin's birthday and she has a whole weekend of festivities. I literally haven't gotten any rest. I have been to probably over 11 parties for the season. Your girl is very tired. I am extremely exhausted and I really need to move my body. I need a vacation. I need something. Anyways guys, later.
Nobody told you this before, but you outshine the sun. The type that I've been looking for. I've seen you inside my dreams. So baby, come a little closer. Know that you are the only one I wanna see.
Hey guys, what's going on? So happy Sunday. So I am all dressed and ready to head out. I am actually going to a car show. It's a Jamaica auto car show. So this one is kind of different. It's like auto businesses showcasing their cars and all of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and dazzle my eyes to see, you know, what brand our cars are out there, what new cars are coming in, like just all of that gist. You know, that's like my vibe. That's like my vibe. It's a Sunday and I'm so glad they well, they actually kept it 2 days, yesterday, Saturday, and today, Sunday. Wasn't able to make it last night. Well, I could have, but I had other plans. So yeah, so Sunday it is. And then of course, you know, I may go to my regular after event, which is I Love Souls. I'm not sure as yet. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and dazzle my eyes and see what's going on. This vlog has actually been all over the place. I think I did vlog when I went to watch Sinners. What else did I show you guys? I went on TikTok Live. I've been going on TikTok Live now every Thursday, so I did talk about that. So y'all just tuning this Thursday, every Thursday basically, to see what we're talking about on the topic of conversation. Anyways, I need to head out of here. It's after 4 p.m. It ends at 8 p.m. tonight, and going at 4 o'clock I think is a pretty good time on a Sunday. And it's Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. If you watch my blog, if you watch my videos, thank you for watching. Yes, happy Mother's Day to you guys, and I will see you guys when I am at the car show. Oh my god, I should have put on a little makeup. I'm not gonna lie, my face is not the best these days. Guys, we have arrived at the car show. I am with the lovely Lady Sue. I'll see you guys inside. To win a 2026 car.
Yes, we will.
So this car, the Jetour, is like one of the, what I call it, it's new, it's fairly new. I have no idea, by the way, it's fairly new to Jamaica. They have been marketing the hell out of this brand, Jetour, yeah. Is it? 5 6? What? Oh, where? Oh, the actually push the seat all the way back, and I still, well, my feet still it's quiet. You know the sunroof? I want sunroof that? So it looks so like it's camel. So the battery. Oh, okay. So we can rock.
I know it's time for Zip's mom encouragement. Real tips, real talk, and real support for the experienced moms to the ones still figuring it out.